Hi everyone, welcome to KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. Today you're going to see two people having a dialogue about which month she's going to South Korea and what she's planning to do there. Let's get started.
몇 월에 한국 가요? 5월에 가요. 한국에 뭐 하러 가세요? 영어 가르치러 가요.
Now let's find out the direct meanings.
몇, as you heard I pronounce CH as the last consonant as the D sound. This means how much or how many. That depends on the syllable that comes after. If that's non-countable, you can think of it as how much. If it's countable, then you can think of it as how many. Usually when it's used with 월, which is month, you can interpret 몇 as which as well. So 월, month, 에 is time particle, 한국. As you heard, I said N as the last consonant of the first syllable as NG. That means South Korea, 가요, is from a verb 가다 as dictionary form to go. This translates to in which month do you go to Korea? This sentence implies that this hasn't happened yet. It's going to happen in the future. You can think of it as which month will you go to Korea? Oh, it's 5 in the Chinese number system. 월, this is month. When you see 5 months, it means May. If you wanted to say 5 months, then you're going to say 5달. 에 is time particle. 가요 is from a verb 가다 as dictionary form to go. So this translates to I will go in May. 한국, South Korea, 에 location particle 모 I pronounce as O vowel instead of 뭐. 하 is from a verb 하다 as dictionary form to do. 러 is to, but I will consider this as in order to. Just because in English, to has many different meanings. So if I say in order to, you understand that this to has the meaning of purpose. 가 is from a verb 가다 as dictionary form to go. So when you see two verbs together, but 러 is in between, it means go in order to do. 러 is used with certain main verbs, which is 가다 or 오다. You can think of English examples. When you say, I go see a doctor, you omit in order to. I go to see a doctor. That's the proper way to say. When you're able to omit to in English, it's same as Korean 러. But in Korean, we don't omit 러. 세요 is used after a syllable that ends with a vowel. Since 세요 is used in a question, it makes the main verb more polite. If you were to see it in a statement, it's often interpreted as please. So this phrase translates to, will you go to Korea to do what? Or, what will you go to Korea to do for? 영어, English. 영 has a meaning of England because 영국 is England. 어 has a meaning of language. So 영어 together becomes English language. 가르치 is from a verb 가르치다 as dictionary form to teach. 러, it's the same law as above in order to. 가요 from a 가다 verb to go. So this phrase translates to I go to teach English. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 몇 월에 한국 가요? 5월에 가요. 한국에 뭐 하러 가세요? 영어 가르치러 가요.
If you like the content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any thoughts or questions, please comment down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!